mechanical solutions for nature's problems created by mechanical abutments. We're using the same processes that created this problem to try and fix the problem on a very, very ecologically sensitive beach where all life is molded into the sand, and somehow we just dig it up. This is definitely a total disconnection between logic and processes. The city appalls me with its attempts at industrializing solutions instead of looking at better ways of doing things. Yep, all the little animals that managed to make home here for the last whatever time, we have now just gouged them out.